Students, good news for you. Thousands and lakhs of students are graduated every year. How you are smart and knowledge make you different among the crowd. I will show you how to use ChatGPT in a smart way. In this video, we will show you exactly how you can prepare and study for your exams, viva, interviews, project. First, I will show you how to write the AI prompts for your daily studies. AI prompts is nothing but how to we communicate with the ChatGPT AI to get the answer for us. Yes, I am showing you on this screen. You write your chapter first to get the keywords for the studies. For example, design of machines elements. First, to make the ChatGPT as how to act, role, who is he now? In this case, start writing as a professor of mechanical engineering. Next, write what you want to get. In this case, explain, or you can write to create image or create design, summarize the PDF file, or prepare a resume. In this example given, we asked for the important notes for each keywords of design of machine elements. Now we got the answer for the design of machine elements and its important keywords and its explanation. Once you identify the topic, start asking each topic. For example, in this case, shafts. The same way, professor of mechanical engineering to explain about the shafts, especially for the examination points. Now you see the answer generated. It is further explaining the complete keywords and its explanation in few lines, finally giving you the important keywords, key points for the examination. Also mentioning the two-line things to remember. This will be useful during your examination to recollect the points. Now you can test yourself what you learned by way of asking the quiz questions and answers. This will give you multiple choice questions and its answers. Also you can mention to only give you questions, and then you can mention the answer as shown above in the screen as 1-B, 2-C, like that. Write the prompt as given above the screen. Then it will evaluate your answer and give you explanation if it is wrong. This will give you to revise again and make the subject complete studied. I am not a mechanical student, so I am randomly answering the questions. Let us see the answers and score. Wow, my goodness, I scored 3 out of 5 even without studying. Now you see it is giving the explanation for the correct and wrong answers. Now we are going to see before the examination how to make this ChatGPT helping you for the examination preparation. You can ask for short notes for the examination of a topic, prompt given on the screen. This will give you the short notes about the topic for the revision before the examination. Also, you can ask before the examination day, previous day night, to give you quick revision about the topic for the exam preparation. Write the prompt like this. This will give you only 10 lines just to recollect this subject and to remember for the examination day. Also, you can prompt if it is asking for saving as a file as yes, and then the file gets saved. This will also give you the output like this on the screen. So far we have seen how you can revise your regular studies on day-to-day basis after come back from the college, and then we also see how you can test yourself by asking quiz questions and then preparing yourself for the examination. Now we are going to see how you can prepare yourself for the viva. So you ask the viva questions as the prompt on the screen now, which will give you the viva questions and its answers for that particular subject and the topic. So you can change the topic name, and then you can prepare for the viva, as well as you can ask the viva questions at the chapter level. All these exercises you do it with your login, and then the AI ChatGPT learns your interested subjects, and then you can ask the AI to generate the common project titles for a particular chapter which is your interest, or you want to get into in your career. For example, carburetor related or diesel mechanical related, something like that. So once you ask that project title and its a synopsis, which will give you the overview, so which is on the screen now. So you can make that prompt, and then which will give you the project titles, examples, and then the synopsis. So you can decide which project you want to do it after consulting with your professors and guide. This topic is very important, and on a day-to-day basis, whenever you study any books, or you have a PDF file, or even if you have a book, you can take a photocopy from your mobile and then upload it in the AI, as I am showing you in the screen now. So there is a plus button before the prompt typing. So click on the plus button and select the add photos and files, and then select the file which you want to upload. It can be a PDF file, or it can be a photo taken, and then write the prompt as it appear on the screen. A summary of the document attached, the file name, springs, and prepare the exam notes. So which will give you all the relevant definitions, functions, and the types, whichever is relevant to the book, which is covered in the book, and then the topics of the books, and the short notes, key concepts, and then it is going to give you the exam notes. But you have to write it in the prompt as the explanation, as well as to prepare the exam notes, then which is going to give you this. So by the way, if you are planning to study some 2-3 pages in a day, you can photocopy it or mention the PDF file, the page number, which will automatically pick up that page number and give you all the 4 which I have explained so far, which is short notes, quiz, viva questions, exam notes. Everything you can ask at one shot, which it will give you one by one. Or you can even ask the same file, whatever you want of your interest, whether it is a revision, or is it exam preparation, or viva, or even for an interview point of view. Next topic is very important. You have now completed your mechanical engineering graduation. Now you are looking for the job. So now you have to prepare for the interviews. So interviews also you can use ChatGPT AI to prepare you herself, and you can ask the interview questions with the prompt and the above. So you can ask in general or for a particular any subject also. I'm going to make another video for a particular job profile, how to prepare the job interview related questions. So that also I will show you as another video, but in this I am just quickly showing you how to prepare yourself for the interviews. So the prompt is given in the above, and it is giving you the technical related questions, and then application and problem solving related questions and answer, and then conceptual questions about your subject, and then the HR questions. So these are the questions are there, so you can also prepare well for it, and this is given only the questions, and you can ask for the answers as well, so that you can get prepared the way you can answer your interviews. Now I am going to show you how can you prepare yourself with mastering any particular subject or your own interest, like the way you work in a company, and when visualizing some of the projects, you can prepare yourself with the help of the AI. I am going to show you now how to make a prompt to make a cold storage capacity of 5 tons, which I am showing you on the prompt now above. which is giving you a very good information, technical information, and then what is the capacity, power consumption, layout, and then bill of materials, what all the materials are required, and then high level schedule, and then resource planning, power, electrical requirements, operating notes for the temperature and all, and then key risks, what is involved, and then quick coding, quick costing of the sheets, and then deliverables. And also it is asking us to save it as a PDF file, and then I given the prompt as a yes, PDF output, and then it is given the above all as a PDF output. I will also show you the PDF output, how it has come out also. And then I'm also asking for the proper dimension by giving the what is the site dimension, and to ask the prompt to give us a the complete layout, and then the fit outs, and then the technically how it looks like that. Now you are seeing the PDF file, which first file, which is given the all the required information for you to set it up. This is how it will look like. This is also generated by AI, and then this is the fit out, and all the implementation related design of the floor, and then the interior design, how it looks like that, and then the bill of material and its approximate cost, schedule, and the resource planning. So this is how you can also simulate any project of your own during your free time before you go for any job, which will also help you telling the employer this is how you have also tried yourself. All the best. Next video I am going to show you after looking for the job descriptions, you can upload the job description in the AI and ask for the questions to prepare related to that particular job. The job description has been given, so that you will be well prepared, and whatever is related to the job, it will also give you the very good the interview related stuff, as well as that will also update your resume related to that job descriptions, as long as you have the knowledge area. So we will see you in the next video, as well as I am going to come up with the videos for civil engineering, electrical, ECE, and biotechnology, all the divisions. So tell all your friends to look for the new video soon. Please comment and ask if you need any specific requirement of prompts. Thank you for watching. See you soon.